GUANGDONG YIREN technology toast continuous slicer. The machine is used in toasted food factories, the bread, toast, and other food industry slicing, cutting blocks, cutting strips. Production capacity of about 900 to 1,500 per hour. Can be customized according to the customer's requirements. The slicing machine adopts up and down conveyor S-board mode, which can slice toast or bread smoothly with smooth cross-section and even thickness. The food contact part is made of 300 for stainless steel and food-grade conveyor belts with recycling function, photoelectric detection, and positioning to prevent materials from falling. Mechanical parts, slicer blades and conveyor belts can be disassembled quickly, more convenient for cleaning and maintenance. Welcome to order.